So today I'll be showing you on how you can change your desktop wallpaper on the MacBook. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to right click and then you want to click change desktop background. After you do that, you'll come across this screen over here. And if you're on screensaver, just make sure you click on the desktop button over here. Now you can choose from lots of different wallpapers. You can choose from Apple's wallpapers, you can choose from your own photos, or you can select a file that you have stored on your MacBook. So the Apple ones are pretty simple. They're just have to click on it and then it will change to whatever you choose. If it isn't popping up, just make sure you have to click the download button, and then after it downloads, it should pop up. There we go. In the dynamic desktop, you can just click on this drop down menu and you can choose dynamic, light, or dark. And what dynamic does is it makes it darker throughout the day. So as it gets closer to night, the image will get darker. And as it gets closer to morning, the image will get brighter. Then you also have the light and dark desktops over here. And then you have the pictures. And then you can also click on colors over here. And you can just choose a plain and simple color over here, or you can also choose a custom color by clicking over here and choosing from this color wheel. Now you can also choose from your photos, from either favorites, people shared, or albums if you have a wallpaper stored on your iCloud. You can also click on folders over here and all your files will pop up. Now it is actually pretty hard to find like whatever I'm looking for. So what I like to do is click the plus button over here and it'll open up the Finder app and I'm able to find whatever wallpaper I want to choose, and then click on it and then click choose. And then you also have these options of fill screen, fit to screen, stretch to fill screen, and then center if you choose your wallpaper from one of your folders. So a really cool option on the MacBook is you can click this change picture, check mark it, and it will choose a random picture from whatever folder that you select, and it will change like either every 30 minutes or every 5 seconds, every minute, and so on. You can also choose when logging in or when waking from sleep. I think this is a pretty cool option. So if I do like every 5 seconds, then it should change in like 5 seconds. Yeah, so as you can see, it will like fade into the next picture. Here I only have 2 pictures, but you'll probably have more to choose from. So that's a pretty cool option to have. And then there we go. And then that's how you can change your desktop wallpaper on the MacBook. If this helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.